Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're out here in Canton today, picking up a post-mitigation test. This one was a little bit strange. We have kind of a partial internal-external system going on here, and I'll kind of give you a good idea as to what that looks like as you get up into the garage. Original test report for this house came back at 6.0. With the mitigation system installed, we were able to drop that down to 0.9. So a nice, really big drop in radon levels for this house, so they're nice and safe and good to go with the move and the new homeowners coming in. You can see here we actually went through the carpet, had to cut out a little hole to be able to get to the sub slab, drilled in, and then ran that pipe up into this drop ceiling here and then over into the garage. And we'll head up there now and check it out, and I'll show you guys exactly what I mean by that partial internal-external. All right, guys, we're out in the garage now, and you can kind of see as the pipe comes out the wall with fire collars around it. Looks very similar to a normal internal system. Our U-tube manometer is out here in the garage, so they have access to be able to see it easily without really having to go through all that storage area to get to it. Ran that pipe up into the attic space here, another fire collar on there, and then we'll go off to the side of the house here, and I'll take a look at how we came out the siding. Up here you can kind of see we actually poked a hole through the siding in through the attic space there, so we were able to work through that area, run the pipe up again 12 inches above the roof line. This way we kept it in compliance with the HOA, but did not have to put too many elbows into the system, making it a little less effective. Like I said, we went from 6.0 to 0.9, so a great drop, and kind of an interesting system here. So hopefully this helps, and thanks for checking us out. Stay tuned for more content.